What's up, y'all? Real Hook Cast back with another banger of a video. We are going to be fishing Lake HIWASSEE. It is 6 a.m. I got up early on a Saturday, not fishing a tournament. I have my brother-in-law and we'll have Dad with us. I don't know, we're going to see what we can do this morning. The lake's dropping. As everyone can tell, the lakes, all the lakes around here are starting to drop. But, hopefully, and we're going to see what we can do. So stay tuned, and I hope y'all are having a blessed day, and we'll see you in a little bit. Peace. All right, guys, made it to the first spot, gas station. All right, y'all, made it to the lake an hour later. This boat's a mess. This is what happens when you just fish out of a boat.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
All right, y'all, made it to the first spot. Got Josh and Dad with us. I'm trying to get on a good topwater bite, hopefully. That would be nice. If I can get my rods out here. Oh, I seen it. That was a good one, man. That was a good one. I seen him flash. Beastie. Beast. Got him. Giant.
That's why we can't hook it.
Oh, come off. Didn't count. Didn't catch the first one.
Because he didn't have it in the hook.
God. Go ahead, throw. Little bitty things.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, little.
I watched it float right out of gut. I just stopped it and then.
Okay, I figured I was hung. I don't know, it just kept coming, so. Oh, Wassy, peckerheads. Here, guys, first fish for me. Let's go. Oh, come on. Quick release. I didn't get a good hook in him, but. Huh? Yeah, I don't know. I didn't get a good hook in him. Real big one. That's a giant. It's probably a smallmouth.
Staying deep.
Yeah. Gotta be a giant smallmouth. Oh, big spot. Jesus. God almighty.
Dang.
Look at that stud. Seen him down there. I just left it down there. He finally got it. God, I mean, thump that dang thing.
Good 3 pounds.
That's close to it. 213. I had a 3-pounder. Here you go, guys. It's a good one.
definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, he ain't big, but he's a good one.
The sun's shining right on him.
Big spot.
Person already using the brand new system.
Dang, another good one.
Some of that, boy. 114, about a 2-pounder.
Good one. Be nice to have in the tournament.
Yeah. Get a good picture if we can catch some more good ones.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good, decent one. Keeper anyway. Go guys. 12-incher. Yes sir, Josh got him one. I think you the only one ain't caught nothing, ain't you, boy? Just kidding. Yes.
That's what you want.
That's it, son. Big one. Sir. What the heck? Must be little. It's gotta be little. Little. Alright guys, I'm gonna let these guys go just because it's so hot and we're not in a tournament or anything. So we'll let him go. He was ready. I think he wants to go, maybe. Nice. Wasn't a big one. Missed it. Yeah, that's a good one. Thanks, sir. Let's see how much he weighs, guys. Messed up. 111. It's a good one. Here we go, guys. Sitting on bowl.
Sitting on.
Zad's getting backboated today, but it's a good one. Let's get a release on him.
Using the brand new system.
Boom.
13-incher. That got him hooked up, son. Yes, sir. Josh got a good one. Real good one. Yes, sir. Double up.
In the boat.
That's a good one. That's pretty. I think that might be a mean mouth. That thing is pretty. It is. That's smallmouth.
Right.
No, it might be a mean mouth. It looks just like a smallmouth. Yeah, it's a good one. See that, and you got that's a mean mouth, ain't it? It ain't full-bred.
That's a mean mouth.
Yeah, it's almost full-blooded smallmouth, but it's got a spot on his tongue.
Yep.
On it. Yeah, a little bitty one.
Before I caught that on that.
Yeah, I see it.
Little deadly Nedley. There you
Yeah,
go.
I see him. That's a pretty fish. Just got a good one.
Yes, sir. Come on. Come on. Get up.
Nice. Oh yeah. 14-incher all day.
Matter than 4 too.
It's close. Oh, Oh, no, let him get it, let him get it. He's hitting it again. He might have got it that time.
Nope.
Work it, work it, work it, work it. Just... Dang. Probably was a keeper. Yeah, he kept hitting it out of the water. Josh got him another. Of course.
Called it.
I knew I was gonna get hung. I need to quit. Well, I just told myself I need to quit casting at the dang brush pile.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Yes, sir.
He's running. I never know where.
Let's see. Sir, it's a good one. God dang it. Big one too. I don't see him. Oh, I see him now. I see him now. He ain't that big, I don't think. No. Good one though. Sir. I say it's a good one. That's a pretty good one. Ain't got any more. Another. Dang, watching this fish, I got dang hung. Oh, it's a stick. God, I thought that was a largemouth for sure. It's a dad. It's a real big. Oh, he ain't that big. He just had me in the dang. Yeah, he did.
As it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
All right, y'all, it's a fun day. About noon, they quit biting. It's about when they quit biting this time of year, but it was fun. Caught a few, Dad caught a few, Josh caught a few, so we had fun. Got anything to say, bull?
Nope.
No? Why not?
Huh?
Why not? How about you, man?
It's fun.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all you can say this time of year.
That's right. We caught probably, what did we catch, about 25 or so? Probably. It's good. We had a good, I mean, our 5 fish limit probably went, what, 10, 11 pounds? Yeah. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Hope y'all have a blessed day, and we'll be back with another video, hopefully. But yeah, y'all have a good day, and we'll see y'all next time.